Hiya, Michael here with a quick video about the unitary method. Now these questions always involve two quantities and you answer them by putting in an intermediate stage, and it's up to you to put that in. What you do is you find one of something, and that's why it's called unitary, because unitary means one. So let's have a look at a few examples. Okay, here we are. So we've got 24 horses. They eat 300 kilos of mixed feed a day. And I want to know how much will 54 horses eat each day. So let's have a look at that. So this is just the information from the question. So what I do, and this is the intermediate stage, I work out that, okay, one horse is going to eat 1/24th, so 300 divided by 24 gives me 12.5. And of course, 54 horses are going to eat about 54 times as much. And when I work that out, 12.5 multiplied by my 54 gives 675 kilos. Do you notice the intermediate stage? I work out the amount for one horse. Okay, let's have a look at another example then. Okay, so Caitlin can jog from her home to Deptford, which is about 3.5 kilometres, in about 40 minutes. So the question is, how long will it take her to jog to Birmingham, which is only 3 kilometres away? It should take a little bit less time. Let's work it out. Okay, this is just the information from the question. 3.5 kilometres, 40 minutes. Let's have a look at 1 kilometre now. So if she does 3.5 kilometres in 40 minutes, in 1 kilometre, we can work out that she'll take about 11.4 minutes. So what about 3 kilometres? So we multiply 1 by 3, so we've got to multiply 11.4 by 3, and it comes out to about 34.3 minutes, which makes perfect sense. The distance is less and the time is less. Okay, let's have a look at one last slightly more complicated example. Okay, let's read this question carefully then. So a riding helmet is on sale at 25% discount for £60. Right, so that tells me that £60 is equal to 75% of the original cost. And I want to find the original price, and that's going to be 100%. You might need to think about that a little. Right, let's see how we lay this out. So we've got that 75% is £60. So let's work out what 1% is. And we work out that 1%, which is divided by 75 here of course, is £60 divided by 75, which is 0.8. You could write it as 80 pence, but that makes life a little bit more difficult in the next stage. So when we work out 100%, because we left this as a decimal, it made life easier, it's £80. And that is how to use the unitary method. Notice we go for 1% in the intermediate stage. Here we go for 1 kilometre as the intermediate stage. And in the first question, we looked at 1 horse in the intermediate stage. So you should understand now the unitary method involves 2 quantities, and you've seen some examples, and you answer them by putting the intermediate stage. Okay, and that is finding 1 of something. Okay, I hope you found that useful. You should do, and you should understand it pretty well. It's a very flexible technique, and you'll do a lot better in maths if you know it. Okay, Michael signing off. Bye now.